Good evening, very good evening, very good evening. First of all, kindly let me know, am I audible? Each and everyone, am I audible? Yes, everyone. First of all, kindly let me know, am I audible? Audio, video is clear, everyone? Yes, Sudeep, very good evening, very good evening, very good evening. So, once again, very good evening, my dear GW soldiers, very good evening. Yes, Adhyara, Sudeep, very good evening, bacho. So, without wasting a time, directly we start topic. Yesterday class, today we are going to discuss, very good evening, Adya Raj. Today we are going to discuss about the key concept and what we discuss in today class, my dear student, attribute closure and keys concept. Attribute closure and keys concept, my dear. Very good, Jadip. Very good evening and happy Ram Navami to all of you. And God bless you, everyone. God bless you, everyone. I wish you will get very good rank and you will get all success in your life and your all dream comes true and you give your best, then definitely you will get best. Okay, this is my words. Without wasting a time, I am going to start. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the attribute closure and key concept. So till now, what we discuss, my dear student, till now what we discuss. Yesterday class we discussed what is the RDBMS concept. Just quickly revision, quickly recap. What is the RDBMS concept? Me say what is the meaning of schema? What is the meaning of degree? Yeah, arity. What is the meaning of cardinality? I start from the scratch, from the basic. Cardinality. What is the meaning of tuple or record and everything? What is the meaning of attribute or fields? After that, after that we discuss about the FD, functional dependency, FD concept and FD type and FD type and FD type. God bless you. God bless. And first of all, sorry, and because whatever energy I can give now, I am not able to just because last 2 days I'm not feeling. Believe me, yesterday I took medicine at 3 p.m. just because I have this class and after that I have a paid I have a paid class. That's why I taken the medicine, but I not miss any class. So sorry for I'm not giving my complete energy. Yeah, you can say high Josh, but I will explain each and everything and I try. Okay, so we discuss FD type. First we discuss trivial FD. What is the meaning of trivial FD? Trivial FD means what? Trivial FD means what, beta? Trivial FD means x tends to y is trivial if x is a superset of y. If x is a superset of y. Second one is non-trivial. Non-trivial FD. What is the meaning of non-trivial FD? Non-trivial FD means x tends to y is non-trivial. X tends to y is non-trivial if x intersection y phi and only phi is not mandatory. Along with they satisfying not only phi is mandatory, along with they satisfying the FD definition. What is the meaning of FD definition? Whenever x value repeat, corresponding y value must be same, my dear. Corresponding y value must be same. Mean to say if t1 dot x equal to t2 dot x, then t1 dot y equal to t2 y must be same. Yeah, in x tends to y, whenever x value repeat, corresponding y value must be same. Corresponding y value must be same, my dear. Corresponding y value must be same. This is the meaning of FD. Whenever x value repeat, corresponding y value must be same, my dear. This is the meaning of FD and we discuss some of the question and I have given 2-3 questions based on a homework as a homework. Now, please tell me what is the correct answer for this. What is the correct answer for this question, my dear? I given as a homework this question. Kindly let me know what is the correct answer. This question yesterday I given as a homework. Please let me know what is the correct answer. Yes, everyone. Kindly let me know fast. So video is visible now because on my screen it is getting blur. Very good, my dear. Very good. Listen, everyone. What I'm saying, we have to find non-trivial FDs. What are the cases? A functionally determine B, A determine C, A determine B, B determine A, B determine C, B determine A, C determine A, C determine B, C determine AB. Then B determine C, BC determine A, and AC determine B, my dear. Are you getting my point? Now, why we are not taking ABC determine AB or BC or AC? Because it is a trivial. Because it is a trivial, my dear. That's why we are not taking. Okay. So here you can see, my dear students, you can see it's very easy. Press A determine B. 1, 1. 1 pay 2. That is wrong. A determine C. A determine C. 1, 1. That is also wrong. A determine BC. At 1, we have a 1, 1. At 1, we have a 2. This one is also wrong, my dear. This one is also wrong. Neither A determine B satisfying, nor A determine C satisfying, nor A determine BC satisfying. Now we check for C determine, C determine, B determine A. You can see this is. Now B determine C. At 1 you are getting 1, at 1 you are getting 2. That is also. B determine AC. At 1 you are getting 1, 1. At 1 you are getting 2. At 1 you are getting 2. That is also fail, my dear. That is also fail. This one is also not satisfying, my dear. Not satisfying. Okay. Now, C determine A. At 1, yes, okay. But at 3, 3 determine wrong. C determine B. At 1, 1, at 1. That is also. C determine AB. C determine AB means at 1, 1, 1. At 1, 1, 2. That is also. So, my dear student, is also not satisfying. You can say. Now, AB determine C, my dear. AB determine C. 1, 1, 1. Here you can see 2, 1 pay 2, 1 pay 3. That is not satisfying. That is not satisfying, my dear. Getting my point? Okay. Now, BC determine A. BC determine A, my dear. BC determine A. BC determine A. BC determine A. Whenever we are checking BC determine A, now you can see 1, 1 pay 1. 1, 1 is repeat. 1, 1 is repeat. No, sir. 2, 1 pay 1. 1 not repeat. 1, 2, okay, 1, 3 and 3, 3. Yes, sir. This one satisfying. AC determine B. AC determine B. 1, 1 pay 1. 1, 1 pay 2. That is also fail. So here only, my dear student, only one FD is valid. Only one FD is valid. That is what? BC determine A, my dear. BC determine A. Still clear, everyone? Kindly let me know, each and everyone. Still clear this point? This question still clear? Kindly acknowledge, everyone. Next. Tell me about this question. What is the correct answer? What is the correct answer for this question, my dear students? Yes. Very good. Very good. Here you can see Z determine Y. Z determine Y is A4. That is fuel. X determine Z. One pay 2, one pay 3. One fail. Now, Y determine X. Y determine X. Yes, but there is a distinct value. There is a unique value of Y. Okay, this one is okay. Yes, sir. Now check for XZ determine Y. XZ. 1 3 pay 5 and 1 3 wrong. That's why it is also wrong. Now check for option B. Y determine Z. 4 5 6 2. That is unique. Yes. Now YZ determine X. YZ 4 2 5 3 6 3 2 2. Make beta. So here B is the correct answer. This is asking get 2 marks. I given as a homework. Now solve this one fast. Solve this one fast, my dear. Do it fast. What is the correct answer here? Option A functionally determine B, B functionally, A functionally determine B, B functionally determine C. Option B, A functionally determine B, B doesn't functionally determine C. Option C, B does not functionally determine C. D is saying A does not functionally determine B and B does not functionally determine C. Now you tell me, beta, what is the correct answer for this question? Komal, you are saying B. So my dear student, what is the correct answer? What is the correct answer? C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Why you are asking if, then I am telling. Don't worry about. C is the correct answer, bacha. Not B, beta. C is the correct answer. What is the reason for C being a correct answer? Please try to understand. What is the rule? We can rule out the FD based on the table. Rule out the FD. We can rule out the FD only. Mean to say, please try to understand. Sir, here you can see, I know you have a lots of doubt. You have a lots of doubt. Sir, here you can see na, at 1 we are getting, at 2 we are getting 3. Sir, A determine B. Na sir. And B determine C. Not true. B determine C is not true. Then why you check? Why you pick, sir, only option C, sir? Why you pick only option C, sir? Why you pick only option C? The reason behind, because based on these only 4 tuples, based on these instance, you can't conclude about the tuples. You can't conclude about the table. You can't conclude about the table. For example, after 5 minutes, you will get one tuple in such a manner, 1 5 7. Then what happened? Here you are getting 1 pay 1. Here you are getting 1 2. So you can't conclude based on these instance. But sir, you are very smart. In the last question, why you are saying then? You say no, nothing is correct. All options are false. All options are false. But better read this topic. Read this. What is saying? Which of the following FDs are satisfied by the instance? Only by the instance. It is mentioned which of the FDs are satisfied by the instance. It is not conclude about the table. Here it is asking what is the conclusion we can say. So what is the conclusion we can say in your life? You can conclude only about the trivial FD. Only about the trivial FD. And if I am asking ki you tell me which one is the always valid, doesn't matter ki what I insert in the future, what I insert tomorrow, what I insert after tomorrow. So you can conclude only one thing. What you can conclude? Ki trivial FD is always satisfying. Second, what you can conclude? Ki which one is not satisfying right now, in the future they also not satisfy. In the future, for example, here B tends to C is not satisfying here. B tends to C is not satisfying here. So we can conclude ki B tends to C in future. Doesn't matter it having a 1 lakh tuple or 1 crore tuples. But B tends to C never ever satisfy. This is the conclusion. And why we can't conclude A determine B is satisfying? Because in future after 5 minutes, I insert 1 5 7. So what happened here? 1 pay 1, here 1 pay. So rule out the FDs based on the table. Are you getting my point? I am Flex. It is the second video. Yesterday we start. And yesterday was the introduction class and I just start the FD definition and type of FDs. Today I am taking some gate questions of that. Which I given as a homework. Okay, bacha? So here C is the correct answer. बच्चों crystal clear everyone? Crystal clear? Kindly let me know please. Everyone please fast. Ima, this is C for clear या C for C option? Now it is mentioned there are some FDs. Which of the following are the trivial FD? What is the trivial FD? What is the trivial FD? What is the trivial FD? You know trivial FD is what? X tends to Y is trivial. X tends to Y is when only X is of Y, my dear. Clear? Here you can see, my dear, only option C. Because in option C, X can say X is a super. Only option the correct answer for. Till now crystal clear? Kindly write down in chat box everyone. Till now crystal clear? Very good, Sham. Now, today I am going to start next topic. देखो बच्चों, what happened? Please try to understand. Till now we discuss about the FD concept only. What is the meaning of FD and which type of FD? Why the FD is necessary? FD is necessary to lots of things. For example, candidate key, primary key, super key, या anything, membership set, each and everything we are able to determine based on FD set. When we have FD set, we can do the complete postmortem, can say. Now, just after the FD set, there is a one next topic, that is what? Attribute. So there are two type of attribute closure. There are two type of closure. There is a one of attribute closure and next is FD closure. Closure of FD set. FD closure, yeah, you can say closure of FD. Closure of FD by F plus. First of all, I will explain attribute closure, then I will explain FD closure. Okay, don't worry. When we discuss membership set, that time I will discuss FD closure. First of all, the point arises, ki sir, what is the meaning of attribute? What is the meaning of attribute closure? For example, my dear student, if I am taking A, B, C, D, F, G, H, we have a FD, AB to C, C to D, D to AE, and E to F, and F to GH. Then, what is the meaning of closure, sir? What is the meaning of closure? You can take a one very simple example also. You can take one very simple example also. Attribute closure. What is the meaning of attribute closure? X plus. Sir, first of all, explain what is the meaning of X. What is the meaning of X? X is the, consider, let R be the relational schema. R be the relational schema and X be the attribute set of R. X क्या है बच्चों? X be the attribute set of relation R. X be the attribute set of relation R. Then what is the meaning of attribute closure? Set of all possible attributes. Set of all possible attribute which is functionally, yeah, which is logically, yeah, functionally, which is logically, yeah, functionally determined by attribute X is called attribute closure of X. You can say X. Clear everyone? What I am telling, what is the meaning of attribute closure? Attribute closure means what? Whatever attribute you can determine by any attribute X. Now, sir, what is the meaning of X? X may be single attribute or maybe more than one attribute. So, what I am telling, ki X be the attribute set of attribute. Either it can be single attribute, it can be two attribute, it can be three attribute. Are you getting my point? For example, if I am taking a one very easy example, A, B, C, D, E. These are the FDs. A determine B, B determine C, C determine D, D determine E. Then what is the meaning of attribute closure here? If I am saying ki sir, please tell the closure of A. What is the meaning of closure of A? What is the meaning of closure of A? Closure of A means what, my dear student? Closure of A means what? Whatever I can determine. Whatever I can determine from attribute A. So, my dear student, first of all, what I can determine from attribute A itself. A itself. Very good, Sham. Thank you. A itself. First of all, A itself. Now, from the A, what you are determining? What you are determining? B. Now, either from A or from B or from AB. Either from A or from B or from AB. What we can determine? And then D and D is the meaning attribute. What is the closure of B itself? Then B to C, C to D and D. C closure, C D, D closure and E closure only. Only E, my dear. What I am saying, again I repeat, what is the meaning of attribute closure? Any attribute closure of X. For example, I want the closure of B. I want the closure of BE. What is the meaning of closure of BE? First of all, BE itself, then any combination either from B, either from E or from BE. What you are determining? That is the meaning of attribute closure. So, P or E, P determine C, C determine D and D determine E already. We have. What is the closure? B, C, D, E. This is the meaning of attribute. So, bachcho, this definition, this concept is crystal clear. Everyone let me know, please. Everyone let me know. Each and everyone let me know, please. Now, now, Jadip, now listen. You have to find some closure. You have to find some closure. First of all, here you can find the closure of A. Here you find the closure of AB. Here you find the closure of AB, my dear student. What is mentioned here? R, F. AB determine C, C determine D, C determine AD, D determine E, F determine B. Tell me what is the closure? Sir, attribute. Seema, you are talking like a transport minister. So listen, beta. What is the meaning of attribute closure? From the attribute closure, yeah, with the help of attribute closure, you will get the complete clarity ki which one having a potential, which one is having a potential to determine each and every attribute. So based on that, if all attribute is determined by any attribute X, then you can find the candidate key. You can find the first of all super key. Then check minimal, it become candidate. From the candidate key, you can select one of the prime. Attribute closure play a very important role. And how we get the attribute closure? With the help of FDs, and whatever attribute we can determine from the given FD set, that is the meaning of. Clear, Seema? Now here, what is the closure of AB? What is the closure of AB, my dear? Here, what is the closure of A? Here, AB closure is what? A, B, C. BC determine AD. Take D. D determine E. Are you able to get F? No, sir. Are you able to get F? No, sir. Attribute closure of AB is A, B, C, D, E. Clear, bacha? Now, solve this question. Here, what closure you have to find? First of all, you have to find closure of A, closure of B, closure of C, closure of D, E, F, G closure, then AH closure, PD closure. Please calculate. DF closure and F closure and CF closure. And PDF. Just find beta. Everyone write down. Or bachcho, please participate in chat. Participate in chat box, and definitely I will give my 100%. Right now, not in the position of giving 500%, but I try my best. But you also participate. Each and everyone you participate, please. Once again, I am saying, kindly participate, bachcho. Kindly participate and calculate the closure of each and everything. I don't know what is the answer of this thing. I don't know. You tell me, because randomly I have given the question in front of you. Randomly I have taken this data. Acknowledge fast. Everyone. Sudeep, you are getting A closure wrong. Sudeep, you are getting A closure wrong. बच्चों देखो, I know this is an online class, but I want कि you will get the feel like offline. And when it is possible, when you participate in the class. Yes, I know chat is the way, but we can communicate with the help of chat. Don't worry about that. But participate. Everyone participate. Sham, Jadip, reply बच्चों. Fast everyone. Yes. What's happened? Or what is the worst case? You giving the wrong answer? Don't worry about that. Just participate. And I am taking each and everything. Friends, please do it, everyone. Do it means okay. Now, I don't know what is the answer because I randomly given this data. First of all, A plus. What is the closure of A? I am getting anything from A. Only A. Getting anything? B. Getting anything? Only from C. Yes, sir. What we getting? E, D. Now, either from C or from D or from any combination of D. You can see D, and D determine A, E. D determine A, E. E determine F. F determine G and H. Getting my point? We don't have B. Don't have B. D closure. What is the D closure? D, A, E, and E determine F. F determine G, H. E closure. E closure is what? E, F, H. F closure only F, H. G closure only G, my dear. G closure only. These all are correct, everyone. If yes, then write down in chat box crystal clear. Yeah, anything, heart symbol, anything, whatever you want to do. Please do it fast. Do it fast, everyone. Then here next AH. AH. G plus is G. F plus FGH. EFGH. Very good. AFGH. Very good. DDAE. Very good. Very good. Next AH closure. What is the closure of AH? Only A. What is the closure of BD? What is the closure of BD? What is the closure of BD, my dear student? BD closure, first of all, B and D itself. Now, either from B, no, D say A, E, and AB to AB to D to D, D to AE, E to F, and F to G is the meaning of closure. Getting my point? Now, DF. DF closure. What is the closure of DF? DAE, EF, GH. Anything more? No. You are not able to get C. You are not able to get CF closure. C, D, C, D, A, E, F, G, H. Are you getting same? Anyone, any change in anything? Please tell me. Please. Now, BDF. What is the closure of BDF? First of all, BD, DAE. Getting my point? And AB determines C. A, B, C, D, E. E determine F. F determine G, H. You can see here you are getting all 8 attributes. So how many student all closure are correct? Write down me, sir. Me all closure are correct. Please let me know. Let me know, please. Everyone, everyone, everyone. Tell me fast. Clear? Very good. Now, we have done. You tell me the closure of this. Please tell me. What is the closure of SSN number? Or what is the closure of project number? What is the closure? Everyone, everyone, everyone. Tell me fast. Very good, Komal Kumari. God bless. SSN closure. SSN closure is what? First of all, SSN itself and anything more? No. P number. First of all, per number. P number determine P name. Correct location. Clear, everyone? Check. Now, SSN P number. First of all, SSN per after that name, station, and name, the location. You can say e name and are getting ours also. This is the closure, my the closure. Are you getting everyone? SSN in. Yes, very good, very good. Are you getting everyone? Each and everyone getting? My dear student, getting? Next, you tell me the closure of this. First, you tell me the closure and E ED, yeah, DAD. Tell me first, what is the closure of AB and what is the closure of A? Tell me, bachcho, please do it fast, everyone. What is the closure of AB and what is the closure of AD? AB closure. What is the closure of AB? AB closure is B determine. Now, B determine AD. We have already A. B determine E. B determine G. Anything more? No. We are getting here all. F is not present in F. F is not present in FD, my. Now, AD closure. First of all, A, D. D determine E. E determine G. E determine G. Anything or more? Anything more? Anything more, my dear? A, D, E, G. Now, anything more? AD closure. Now you are saying, ki, sir, you can see na, you can traverse the FD. D determine E, E determine G. We required CE. We don't have C. Not possible. We required BC. We don't have neither B nor C. We required A and B. We don't have B. The closure. A, D, E, G. Now this is the question of get 2 marks. And you tell me, this is first, this is second, third, this is. Now you let me know, beta, which options are false. Which options are false? Komal, any doubt, beta? Each and every one, my dear student, each and every one. Any doubt, please tell me, beta. Any doubt? Please let me know, any doubt? Please everyone let me know, my dear students. Any doubt? Crystal clear? My dear student, let me know, please. Crystal clear? Here, which one is the false? One is the false. Very good, Vijay. F close. First of all, I don't know what is the close. How I can do? I will write whatever. CF closure. Whatever I can write from the CF, we will write, my dear. CF closure. First of all, C and F. Now, C determine G. D determine A. B traverse this FD. FD. Anything more? Anything more? F determine E. F determine E. Yes. D. AF. AF determine D. AF determine D. DE determine F. We don't have B. What we write in ascending order alphabetically? A, C, D, E, F, A, C, D, E, F, G. This is true, my dear. This is asking GATE and ISRO as well. It is asking ISRO also. Next question, next is BG. Next is BG, my dear. BG. We check ki BG closure is what? I don't see option. First of all, BG closure means B and G and G. Now you can see G. From G are getting A. From AB you are getting CD. From C you are getting G. Now check others. AF. Can we have F? No, sir. DE. We don't have E. F. We don't have, sir. So how you write alphabetically? A, B, C, D, G, my dear. A, B, C, D, G. This is also true. Now check for false. Now check for false. AF closure. First of all, I don't see the option. Whatever is given, I just try to calculate without any option. AF closure. What beta? AF closure. It is asking for false beta. False. है ना? So here it is asking which option is false. So AF closure. First of all, AF closure, AF itself. Then F2E, F2E, AF2D, and DE determine F. Can we have C? No, sir. Can we have G? No, sir. Can we have AB? No, sir. So this one, this is false, my. Why false? Because here lots of. That's why this not. This is false. Now check AB close. Now check AB close. Beta, it is not ABCD. It is 1, 2, first, second, third, fourth. Now check AB closure, my dear. AB closure. When we take the AB closure, what is happening, my dear student? AB. Now from the AB you are getting CD. From the C you are getting G. From the G you are getting A. That is already taken. Anything more? AF we don't have F. B, DE we don't have E. F we don't have. A, B, C, D, G. But here F is also. That's why it is also false, might. So here second and third and fourth is the correct answer. C and D both, beta. Komal, very good. Jaideep, clear beta? Each and every one crystal clear? Kindly let me know fast. Kindly let me know fast. Now, please let me know fast, my dear. Yes. And now today for explaining the keys, again I came with the keys. Explain the keys beta, to explain the keys concept. Yes, I told them more than one correct. So today now we are going to discuss keys concept. Key means what? Beta? Chabi. Okay. So first of all, key means what? If I am saying this is the key of this building, mean to say I can access each and everything in this building with the help of this. I can open each and everything. Or from the childhood, key is always unique. Unique means what? If I'm saying this is the key of this building, means this key belong to this building only. I can't open from this key all the society house. Are you getting my point? So key means what? Unique. What is the meaning of unique? I will discuss here. But first of all, I am going to discuss keys concept. What is the meaning of keys concept? Let us assume key means what? If you say this is the key of this building, mean to say you can access each and everything in this building with the help of this key. Yeah, you are saying this is the key of the car. What I can say? I can access complete car with the help of this key, my dear. Getting my point? This is the meaning of key. Now here try to understand what I am saying. For example, we have a R, A, B, C, D and FD set. A determine B, B determine C, determine D, D determine E. I am taking very easy example to get the feeling. Get the feeling, my dear. So, my dear student, just before 10 minutes you done. What is the closure of A? What is the closure of A, my dear student? What is the closure of A? Here you can see A determine B, B determine C, D determine D, D determine. What is the closure of B? E, C. What is the closure of C? What is the closure of D? What is the closure of E? So, my dear student, you can see here with the help of attribute A, with the help of attribute A, my dear, with the help of attribute A, with the help of attribute A, you are getting each and every attribute of relational schema R. You are getting each and every attribute of relational schema R. And what happened? It is uniquely determined also, and whenever X value repeat, corresponding Y value must be same. Sir, how Y value must be same? Just because of FD, my dear. Just because of FD, functional dependency. If T1 dot X equal to T2 dot X, then T1 dot Y equal to T2 dot Y must be same, my dear. Now, what is the meaning here key? What is the meaning here key? Like you can see from the closure of A, you are getting each and everything. I am saying this is the key of this car. This is the key of car, means I can access each and everything in that particular car with the help of this key, my dear. With this key, I am saying this is the key of this building. This is the key of this building. I can access each and everything in this building with the help of this. Mean to say, let here key means what, my dear student? Here key means what? First of all, super key. Key means what? Which can open the lock. Which can open the lock. And if I am saying key and grocery wala shopkeeper also saying the key, then there is what is the difference? So here all keys means what? Super key. So what is the meaning of super key? What is the meaning of super key? Let R be the relational schema and X be the attribute set of R if x plus means what, beta? Closure of X determines the all attribute of relation R, then R is a super key. R is a super key. Yeah, what you can say, if all attributes of relational schema R, all attribute of relational schema R is determined by the attribute closure of X, then X is a super. Now you tell me, bachcho. Now you tell me. Now you tell me. Now you tell me. You tell me, beta, what is the super key? Why you ask very interesting question? God bless you. Sir, how we can access all the building? A single attribute, there will be door with the other keys, then other keys, no problem. When I say there are many doors, I say only one building, main gate only. All are not having any door. What I am saying, beta, you are taking a feel just like a key in this building only one door. Then it's easy for chore. They can do the robbery, only one door open, then get complete building handover. No, bacha. Here, what is the my point? If I am saying, okay, now listen. If I am saying this is the key of the car, this is the key of the car. What is the meaning? I can access each and everything in this car with the help of this, na? Are you getting my point? Sima, clear hai beta? So you tell me here what is the super key. You tell me, my dear. Everyone. Tell me fast. Very good. Beta, what is my concern? If from which attribute I can determine each and every attribute of relational schema. So when I say this is the key of this car, when I can access each and everything in car with the help of this, then it become key. So what is the meaning of super key? Super key meaning is simple. For example, lock. If you say this is the key of this flat, this is the key of this flat, any x key, any x flat. Okay, so this is the key of this flat. What is the meaning? You can access each and everything in this, in that particular flat with the help of this. Getting my point? So here a closure say you are getting each and every attribute. There are lots of more concept also, but first of all try to understand from the basic. What I'm saying, if all attribute means, if you, when I say the key of this building, when I am assuring you each and everything in this building you can access with only this key. Are you getting my point? Either directly, Sima, I am giving the answer of your question, either directly, or indirectly. Let us assume I am saying this is the key of this car, mean to say I can access main door. From the main door there is a one, like you can say smart fitting, then I can open all the door with the help of any IoT, anything. But for that, open that IoT, yeah, don't say ki IoT we can access from the mobile also. Yes, I'm not denying. Any, you have some procedure from the manhole, you can access each and everything. You have this procedure also. Like here, I'm not saying ki directly A can determine each and everything. But here A to B determine this determine this. What is the conclusion? From the closure of A, you are getting each and every attribute. So here, if all attribute of relation schema are determined by attribute closure of X, or X is not only single attribute, beta, X is not only single attribute. I told here X be the attribute set. It could be simple or 2, 3, 4 attribute. This is the meaning of super. Super key means what? Key means what? Which can open the lock. Which can open the lock. Which can open the lock. Yes, Seema. So what is the meaning of roll number is the key for student? Seema, roll number is the key for student means with the help of this roll number, you can open the lock. Sir, what is the meaning of open the lock? It mean to say with the help of roll number, you are able to determine each and everything of that relation, that student tuple. For example, your roll number is 25. If you insert roll number 25, then your complete record will be displayed. Your complete kundali will be displayed. That is the meaning. Regarding my point, and how it is happening. For example, roll number 2, you are determining name, name to you determining father name, mother name, father name to you determining address. This type of situation can occur. Getting my point? Now, here I am discussing the keys. So, bacho, first of all, we have a super key. From the super key, find minimal that become candidate. That become candidate. Assume I am taking to have a 6 candidate. Assume 6 candidate. You have a 6 candidate key. So from the candidate key, one select as a primary key and remaining candidate key. What is the remaining candidate key? 5 candidate keys are called alternative or secondary key. For example, if you are going in bank, then account number is the primary key. But if you forget your account number, then what happen? He or she bank person ask, sir, please tell me your PAN card number, your Aadhaar number. Okay, you don't know your PAN card, Aadhaar number. Tell me your name and registered mobile number. Tell me your name and mother number. Yeah, tell me your name and mother name. Yeah, father name. Yeah, DOB are the alternative. Yeah, second keys. Are you getting my point? So this is the key hierarchy. Key concept. If we have a super key, we have a super key, my dear student. From the super key, which one is minimal? Which one is minimal? That is a candidate key. From the candidate key, one select as a primary key and remaining are called alternative, yeah, secondary key. But my dear, all keys means what? Candidate key, yeah, you can say primary key, and alternative, yeah, alternative keys, you can say, are super keys. All keys are super keys. But vice versa, not vice versa, not true always. Mean to say, if I am saying, my dear student, here A is the super key. A is the super key, my A is the super key. Mean to say, here super key means what, my dear? Super key means what? I can access the, yeah, I can open the lock. Sima, super key is a group of key and candidate key the minimum key required. Yes, correct, absolutely correct. For example, here A is the super key, and bacha, every key is a super key. Every candidate key is a super key. Then sir, what is the difference between candidate key and super key? For example, this is the key for car. This is the key for car, my dear. This is the key for car, and so I can open the lock. I can open the lock of my car with the help of this key. If I add more keys, if I add more keys in this key chain, then car will also again open, na? Car will also again open. But what is the candidate key? Minimal. Minimal means what? This one minimum. This is the minimum that is required to open the car. Getting my point? So this is the meaning of super key or candidate key. The candidate key is a minimal of super key. Mean to say, here A is a super key, and any superset of A is also super. Also super. For example, AB, AC, AD, blah 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 blah, A B C D E. When I can open the lock from A, then any attribute along with A also can open, na? These all are called super key. But whenever we are talking about candidate key, so candidate key, and it is super key also. Super key means what? Super key funda is very simple. Which can open the lock, that is the key. Which can determine each and every attribute, that is called super key. Either it could be primary key, it could be candidate key or alternative key. It's none of my business. First of all, it is say super key. And if it is minimal, then it is called candidate. For example, A is candidate key. But first of all, it is super key means what? When you say super key means key, or when you say this is the key, if you can open, then you can say, na, this is the key. If you are able to open, then you can claim it is the key. Similar here, if you are getting all attribute, then you can say super. But if it is minimal, then it is candidate. And you know what? Have you watched the Manji movie? जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक बोलेंगे नहीं. Same thing apply in the candidate key. But don't worry, I will take, don't worry beta, candidate. So this is the meaning of super key. Then we find the minimal, that become candidate key. Out of n candidate key, one select as a primary key, and remaining all, like here 6 candidate keys are there, then remaining 5 is called alternative, yeah, secondary key. Clear everyone? So this point is crystal clear, bacha. This point is crystal clear, everyone. Any doubt, please let me know, my dear student. Any doubt, kindly let me know. If crystal clear, kindly make a heart. And बच्चों है ना, because I have already again next class, and whatever I explained till now, please try to read. And tomorrow I will discuss how to find candidate key, and not only find candidate key, how to find multiple candidate keys. And tomorrow class will very interesting. And I today there is a no assignment, only one assignment is that ki whatever we discuss in last two classes, just read it. And tomorrow I will give some more assignment also, and tomorrow I will do complete discussion on a key, per key, candidate key, and prime alternative key. Okay, and we will discuss lots of questions, and I give some question as a homework. Okay bacha, so thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. Any doubt? So acknowledge in chat box, only Sudeep and Seema is acknowledging. What about others? Acknowledge everyone. Thank you everyone.